On this episode of Arizona Treks, we're traveling to McDowell Sonoran Preserve near Scottsdale, Arizona, to hike to one of the most iconic rock formations in the region, Tom's Thumb. So, join us on the trail for some of the best scenic overlooks and stunning rock formations in central Arizona. We'll start our hike from the Tom's Thumb Trailhead, located about 38 miles or 48 minutes north of central Phoenix. Google Maps gives directions to two different points for Tom's Thumb, so remember to use the one marked Tom's Thumb Trailhead rather than just Tom's Thumb when driving there. It's an easy drive to the trailhead using major area highways and well-marked and maintained roads through North Scottsdale. There is plenty of parking available near the trailhead, which includes multiple paved lots that are just a short walk to the trail. There are also restrooms at the trailhead, however, there isn't running water available. The trailhead is open from sunrise to sunset, and dogs on leashes are permitted on the trails. We'll be hiking the Tom's Thumb Trail, which is about 2.3 miles to the summit and takes about 50 minutes each way to hike. Although the trail isn't as rocky or difficult to navigate as other trails in the area, the trail increases in elevation gain very rapidly over the first mile or so. The trailhead also provides great information about the rock formations and plants that you'll see along the hike. The convenient viewers at the interpretive center that isolate different rock formations allow hikers to zero in on and learn about their destination before they hit the trail. The first section of trail is smooth and very easy to hike. Informative placards can be found along the trail to help hikers identify and learn about the various plant species they see during their journey. There are a number of scenic overlooks off of the main trail where you'll want to stop and enjoy the sweeping panoramic views of the Sonoran Desert from different vantage points. First stop, Harris's Hawk Vista. Further up, the trail is the Raven Roost Scenic View, which allows hikers to see how far they've come on their journey up to this point and what's ahead on the trail. At an even higher elevation, hikers can enjoy an almost eye-level view of Tom's Thumb from Vulture View's Scenic Point. And lastly, if you only choose to stop at one scenic viewpoint along the trail, make it the Prairie Falcon Overlook. This stop is a popular photo destination, offering a unique vantage point, as two large stones provide a stunning natural frame of Tom's Thumb as it rises in the distance. The last part of the trail is a little rocky in a few sections, however, has less elevation gain, and is a lot easier to hike than the first part of the trail. At the end of the trail, Tom's Thumb, a colossal granite monolith, soars over the ridgeline, standing at a remarkable height of approximately 140 feet and spanning more than 200 feet across. It is a popular landmark for both hikers and climbers, known for its resemblance to a thumb protruding from the ridgeline. It got its name more than 45 years ago from the Arizona Mountaineering Club, after Tom Kreuser, a respected figure in the climbing community, known for his passion and skill in conquering challenging routes, was the first club member to climb it. Since then, the name has stuck over the years. From the viewpoint at Tom's Thumb, hikers can see spectacular panoramic views of the desert landscape below, including Pinnacle Peak to the north, McDowell Mountain Regional Park to the east, Phoenix Mountain Preserve to the southwest, and Scottsdale to the south, and Sonoran Preserve and Cave Buttes recreational area to the east. The distance to Tom's Thumb from the trailhead is about 2.3 miles one way or 4.6 miles round trip, with an elevation gain of about 1,266 feet. It took us about 55 minutes each way to hike. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you plan your hike to Tom's Thumb. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, guides, and travel ideas for exploring Arizona and the Southwest.